Are you telling your flower a story, Kate? Yeah? Well, you can't talk with your hands in your mouth. What do you think? Are you a big girl? Can you tell everyone that you weigh 11 pounds? Can you tell us? Saying it's all in my cheeks. Can you see it in my cheeks, everybody? See, this is my favorite thing to do, is to play on my mat. That darn flower just won't talk back, will it? You're silly. You doing raspberries? Are you blowing raspberries? You're awfully silly. Could you shake, shake, shake? Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. There you go. Shake, shake, shake. You're just eating your finger. That's all you want to do. You're gonna smile a little bit, huh?